Hey friend, welcome to the BotBuhdy AI report. Today we've got a packed show for you. Tencent releases Hunyuan, HY4, 770 billion MOE model with 1 million context window. Anthropic previews model hardware standard for safe physical AI control. OpenAI developing AI agent phone with continuous context-aware interface. Salesforce launches Claudeforce, deep Claude integration for enterprise workflows. And finally, Abacus.ai unveils SuperComputer, one-prompt full-stack app and agent builder. Let's get into it.
Tencent just released Hunyuan High 4, and the numbers are wild. We're talking a 770 billion parameter mixture of experts model with only 49 billion active at once and a context window of 1 million tokens. That means it can hold an entire code base or a full book in memory at the same time. And here's the kicker. It's open source under Apache 2.0, completely free to build on. Early benchmarks show it going toe-to-toe with Kimi K3 and getting close to Claude Opus 5 on key coding and reasoning tasks. This is China's latest shot across the bow in the open-weights AI race, and it's landing on Hugging Face, GitHub, and Tencent Cloud right now. If you're a developer looking for frontier-level performance without the frontier-level price tag, this one just moved to the top of the list.
This one caught my eye. There is more to this story than you might think.
Anthropic wants AI to start touching the real world, safely. They just previewed something called the Model Hardware Standard, a new framework that lets AI agents control physical equipment. Think robotic arms, lab microscopes, even factory machinery. They dropped video demos showing it in action, and they're planning to open source the whole thing after expert testing. The big idea here is cutting down the integration time between an AI model and a physical machine, while keeping human oversight baked in from the start. This could end up being the RLHF moment for embodied AI, the standard everyone else builds on top of. If Anthropic gets this right, we're not far from AI agents running lab experiments or factory floors with real safety guardrails. Not just vibes.
Wait, what? I had to read this one twice. This changes things.
Here's one that caught me off guard. Reports say OpenAI is building its own phone, and it's not what you think. No app grid, no home screen. A screen-free, always-on, context-aware interface running on custom MediaTek chips manufactured by Luxshare. The target? Mass production in the first half of 2027 with 30 million units planned. And this is separate from those Jony Ive rumors you've been hearing about. If this is real, OpenAI isn't just trying to be an app on your phone anymore. They want to be the phone. A persistent AI companion sitting between you and everything else. No Apple, no Google, no browser required. That raises huge questions about privacy and lock-in, but it also means the post-app era might be a lot closer than we thought.
Now this next story really got me thinking. This could change everything.
Enterprise AI just got a new name, and it's a good one, Claudeforce. Salesforce and Anthropic teamed up to embed Claude directly into Salesforce's data, workflows, and governance systems. We're talking autonomous actions inside your CRM with compliance and data controls built right in. This isn't a chatbot bolted onto a dashboard. This is Claude actually working the pipeline, updating records, and executing business processes on its own. It's a signal that frontier LLMs are moving out of the chat window and into the actual machinery of enterprise software. And if this partnership works, expect ERP platforms and productivity suites to start cutting similar deals fast. The era of AI as a sidebar feature might be ending.
Okay, this next one. I am genuinely excited about this. You are going to love it.
And finally, building an app used to take a team, months, and a real budget. Abacus.ai just said, forget all that. Their new platform called SuperComputer costs $10 a month and builds full-stack apps from a single prompt. Mobile apps, payments, authentication, databases, even local LLMs and entire swarms of AI agents, all generated from plain English. Early users are already spinning up complex multi-agent systems in what used to take weeks. This is the kind of tool that could flood the market with indie-built AI products almost overnight, and it puts serious pressure on the no-code platforms that charge way more for way less. $10 a month for your own app factory. That's the game changer here.
That's all for today, friend. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe. I will see you tomorrow with more AI news. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and remember, leverage your intelligence.